Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel where we turn ordinary houses into extraordinary homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever dreamed of stepping out of your back door and into your own private resort, you're in the right place. Today, we are turning up the heat as we explore the most beautiful pool house design ideas to elevate your outdoor space. Whether you're looking for a cozy retreat, a guest sanctuary, or the ultimate entertainment hub, these designs are guaranteed to inspire your next home renovation. Let's dive in. A pool house, sometimes referred to as a cabana, casita, or villa, can be a practical addition to your backyard, enhancing your pool area, deck, or patio. It provides not only a stylish touch to the landscape, but also serves as a handy space for storage and swift outfit changes. For added convenience, you might consider incorporating a bathroom into your pool house design, making it simple to change clothes or rinse off before and after swimming. A pool house doesn't have to be a standalone structure. Simply adding a pergola can add shade by the pool and create a nice spot to relax after swimming. A gazebo-style seating area with comfortable lounge chairs, a small dining space, or a mini fridge and grill will add to the livability of your pool area and make your yard the only place to be during the summer. Whether you choose a freestanding pavilion or pool house with a guest room, these 15 beautiful pool house ideas provide plenty of inspiration for your next project. One, pool house landscaping. Large hydrangeas and trimmed hedges enhance the lush, natural appearance of the pool house. The vibrant greenery stands out against the brown siding and white trim. A gate offers convenient access from both the front and back doors to the pool. 2. Covered patio pool house idea. A covered patio can serve as both a pool house and a relaxing retreat. Add curtains for privacy and include several rattan chairs and chaises for seating. A permanent pool house structure across from the patio offers more space to enjoy the sun by the pool. 3. Modern pool house. Embrace mid-century modern style with an open concept pool house. This structure provides poolside shade and features built-in bench seating for summer gatherings. An outdoor kitchen with a fridge and sink adds convenience for easy poolside food preparation. 4. Pool house with deck. The neutral exterior color highlights the natural surroundings. An ivy-covered wall helps the structure blend into a tropical setting. It complements the grass peeking between the paver stones in the deck seating area. 5. Patio pool house idea. If a new structure isn't within budget, use existing space. This pool house design uses a covered patio attached to the house. Wood columns and climbing plants add a natural touch, while wicker furniture offers a charming gathering spot. 6. Small pool house ideas. To add a pool house on a budget, consider converting a backyard shed into a pool house. This small shed provides space for shaded seating and can also store equipment when the pool is not in use. 7. Cabin pool house. This large cabin-style pool house features hunter green trim and natural wood doors with shingle siding for a rustic appearance. Sliding doors provide easy access to the indoor seating area from the pool. Relax in the sun on comfortable chaise chairs. 8. Cottage-style guest pool house. Even a small pool house can be perfect for guests. This design doubles as a cottage with 2 beds. Yellow siding contrasts with light blue interior walls, creating a bright and colorful guest room perfect for a tropical setting. 9. Colorful pool house door. Painting the front door can refresh your pool house's look. This bright pink door pops against white siding and a gray roof, perfectly complementing the surrounding tall flowers. 10. Gazebo pool house. Consider a gazebo to add extra shade, to your poolside area. This large stone structure shades the seating area while open archways allow fresh air to flow. It's perfect for taking a sun break on hot summer days by the pool. 11. Cottage pool house. Climbing roses add magic to this simple pool house. Pink roses form an archway over the door leading to an indoor seating area. Outdoor wicker furniture enhances the enjoyment of the poolside landscaping, perfectly completing the cottage-style design. 12. Pool house barn doors. Extend your home's modern farmhouse style to your pool house with barn doors. They allow breezes to flow through and make moving bulky pool supplies easy. An exterior built-in bar is perfect for serving poolside drinks. 13. Small pool house. This second-story pool house, reminiscent of a cabana, offers ample privacy for changing. Cedar shake siding gives it a natural appearance, blending with nearby palm trees. A slight roof overhang provides shade in the sunny backyard. 14. Cozy outdoor fireplace. After swimming, warm up by an outdoor fireplace. The red brick contrasts with tropical plants, lending a rustic style to the seating area. Curtains hung from the pergola offer privacy and shade by the pool when desired. 15. Outdoor entertaining bar. For those who love entertaining, this pool house design is ideal. It includes a seating area next to the water and a built-in bar for serving drinks. A sliding barn door offers privacy for an indoor changing area. And there you have it. A collection of breathtaking pool house designs that transform any ordinary backyard into a true slice of paradise. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern glass structure or a rustic, wood-clad getaway, the right pool house adds both incredible functionality and undeniable style to your property. We hope these ideas have helped you envision your own backyard oasis. Which of these pool house designs would you build in your dream backyard? Let us know your pick in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour of luxury, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow design lovers, and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for your weekly dose of home inspiration. Click that notification bell so you're the first to see our next design showcase. See you there.